Asterisk, title : The unexpectedly loud sound of a narwhal's tooth. Asterisk, content : Imagine a creature gliding silently through the Arctic waters, a majestic unicorn of the sea. That's the image most conjure when picturing a narwhal. But beneath the surface, these enigmatic animals possess a secret weapon, a surprisingly loud and complex communication system centered around their iconic tusk. That's right, the narwhal's spiraled tooth, often romanticized as a magical horn, is actually a highly sensitive sensory organ capable of producing a range of sounds far exceeding what one might expect from a seemingly quiet creature. While narwhals certainly utilize clicks and whistles for echolocation and general communication, the most fascinating aspect is the potential role of their tusk in generating these sounds. Scientists believe the tusk's unique structure, riddled with tiny nerve endings and fluid-filled channels, acts as a sophisticated bio-sonar transducer. Essentially, the tusk vibrates, producing a range of frequencies that help narwhals navigate the murky depths, detect prey, and even communicate with each other over surprisingly long distances. This is not just a gentle hum or a quiet click. Research suggests these tusk-generated sounds can reach surprisingly high decibel levels, comparable to some human-made noises. Consider this: a creature seemingly built for stealth and quiet maneuvering is capable of producing sounds powerful enough to be detected by specialized hydrophones from a considerable distance. This adds another layer to the mystery surrounding these fascinating creatures. The implications of this discovery are profound. It challenges our previous understanding of narwhals' sensory abilities and communication strategies. The tusk, previously regarded primarily as a display feature and a potential weapon, now takes on a new significance, a vital tool in their survival and social interaction. It adds to the growing body of knowledge demonstrating the incredible complexity and sophistication of cetacean communication, far beyond what was initially thought possible. Understanding how this intricate sound production mechanism works remains a fascinating area of ongoing research. Scientists are still unraveling the intricacies of the neural pathways involved, the exact frequencies produced, and the precise function of these sounds in the narwhal's daily life. This study promises to provide valuable insights into the evolution of sensory systems and the behavior of these remarkable animals. Furthermore, the discovery sheds light on the importance of acoustic environments for narwhals and their overall health. As human activities increasingly impact the acoustic landscapes of the Arctic, understanding the sensitivity and range of narwhal vocalizations is crucial for their conservation and protection. The seemingly quiet narwhal might be far more vocal than we ever realized, and this voice needs to be heard and protected. The next time you see an image of a narwhal, remember the surprising power tucked away within that magnificent tusk, a biological sound system capable of echoing through the Arctic waters, whispering secrets of survival and social interactions, all far louder than one might ever imagine. This is a tale of hidden complexity and understated power, a true testament to the wonders of the natural world. The seemingly silent narwhal is, in reality, a surprisingly vocal and sophisticated inhabitant of the frigid Arctic seas.